Hello guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to handle hidden columns and how to generate a PDF with your data, and also how to group by specific data. So basically, as you guys can see, I already do not have some columns here because I already hid them. So if you guys notice, when you mouse over any of those columns here, a little arrow shows up, and if you click it and go to columns, you're gonna have a lot of options here where you can choose to show or not to show some data. For example, if I don't want to show the account status, I can simply unselect it so it doesn't show up. If I want to show the people's countries, I can select it or not. So this is very useful. You can use it in any config page, any page that contains those columns, even in the configs, to show or not to show some stuff. And one good application of this is not only seeing only the data you need, it would be also printing some data, so you can send a PDF to someone with only the data that they should see or is relevant to them by clicking this print button. Another cool thing that you can do with that would be grouping. So if I want to group by reseller, I can go to the little arrow here and click group it by this column, and as you guys can see, these rows are grouped by this type of reseller. See? So if I go back here, we can go, for example, to tariffs, and we could group by plan. So if I keep going forward, for example, to the last page, I'm gonna have some other plans here, and they are grouped. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.